So, I've been having more fun making knives of late. This little vegetable chopper is one I made for my wife that she uses pretty much every day. And this little one here is a utility knife that I made from a small file. It's as sharp as a razor and really comes in handy. My sister-in-law likes to cook as well, and so I made her this little chopper, my latest creation, and this one is out of stainless steel. This is a heavy truck leaf spring that I found on the road some years back, and I've already used part of it, and this remaining piece I'll use today to make a small cleaver. As far as I know, most leaf springs are 1070 carbon steel. After going to a knife show recently, I found some inspiration to make more knives, though for me, knives are still sort of play-by-ear projects. I had a few knife guys ask for finer punches, and so I had these 4mm round ones made, and this one is mine. And now, rather than be a clucking duck, I think I'll just shut up for most of the remainder of this video. I need to give a big shout out to Stephen Watkins and HomemadeTools.net for their recent donations to the channel. Thanks very much, and may you and everyone else enjoy a happy holiday season. May seem silly, but don't forget to mark those scraps. Brought to you by GS Tongs. Fullering this way helps me lengthen it without widening it too much. This carbon leaf spring steel really does move well, much better than some alloy steels. And so straight carbon steels can really be a blacksmith's best friend, especially those like me who hand hammer only. Stuck like a duck in the muck. No fear, I'll get it out. This has really become a duck-themed video. Time for me to shut up again. The hole that I was able to drill in that piece of wood is probably too wide and probably not deep enough, but I'll make it work. I left the blade at the edge of my forge and just heated up the tang a little bit. I tell you, I really have to make myself a very small riveting hammer. So that could be an upcoming project. I'll hone the edge a little bit later, but where this is now, I'm pretty pleased. And this here is just a bit of vegetable oil. So there it is, my small leave it to cleaver. My knife making is maybe unconventional and won't win any awards, but I'm getting better. Rainy and cold right now, so time for me to get inside. I'll catch you guys next time.